Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable text box when hover over a tab in Chrome browser. Type Chrome //flags in browser search bar. Type tab hover cards in flag search bar. Select disabled option. Click relaunch. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.